Probably a gray catbird.
The whole way, so we can mow it in the fall or even every other year.
And I don't know who the ball.
They have to have different strategies than a conventional farm that may just spray a certain kind of chemical. There are
Track down the bird. Other birds, like a bright red scarlet tanager, they hang out in the canopy and they tend to sit still when they. This is a whip thrush. Really melodic song.
some birds have a lot of variation on their song, but they're pretty consistent in how they call. It's called ovenbird because it makes like.
This is the cycle of life. This is how we think. That's pretty distinctive. Most young birds will either have a yippee.
Oh yeah. Yep.
If they're not too disturbed.
Mr.
So there
Things,
must
yes,
be,
they're great for drawing.
You know, I mean, we're
unwanted
close
pests
to
that
the
we
river.
found when things are growing. So we're marigold.
Oh, I remember that.
This is a non-bird, but there's a beautiful black swallowtail with it.
Is that a weekday?
Thanks everybody.
Thank you.